Hi, here's another video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. In this process, it takes quite a long time. Okay, so you need to read this. Okay, so and this is how to install. What we're doing is we're practically rooting Windows 10 to put Windows 11 in. So first, we need to download both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, so we need to go to this is my channel. By the way, if you're interested, you go to Microsoft. I'm gonna leave the links down there, and you scroll down, and here where it says right here, okay, and you download this right here, and then you go to Windows 11 and you do the same thing. You scroll down here and you download this right here. Okay, I already download this. Okay, so we're gonna go to the download folder, and we're gonna download. I just gonna show you. I am not gonna do it because I already have it here. Okay, I save everything, so I'm gonna show you so you can see. It's better if you do it as administrator. Okay, so okay, this is the first window that are gonna appear. We go here and we wait for the next window. Okay, this is the second window. We're gonna go here to make a USB, DVD, or ISO. Next, here, just don't touch anything, and just click next, and it's gonna download the disk. Okay, so once you click next, it's gonna start going. Okay, so remember that. Do that for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, so okay, so now you download those these two discs right here. Now you can put them in folders, in two different folders. I got Windows 11 and Windows 10 right here. Okay, this is the one we're gonna use. Okay, so remember, put in different folders. Okay, then make another folder right here because this is the one you're gonna use for the installation. Okay, so okay, so now we're gonna right click or just double click, and it's gonna expand. Okay, so now that it's expand, we need to open this one right here. Remember, this is the folder that you're gonna use. Okay, and you copy this. Okay, you copy and you paste it here. Okay, when it's done, I'll be back. Okay. Okay, it's almost finished. 16 seconds, but it's a long thing. Oh, he went back. Okay, let me stop it. There you go. Okay, so this is finished. We don't need this no more. Okay, so this is the one that we need. Okay, so in here we're gonna go to sources, and we're gonna go to the letter I, right here, right here. Okay, so this one we're gonna delete this. That's why I say we are ruling this thing. Okay, so we're gonna delete this, and it's gone. Okay, so now we're gonna spend this one too. Okay, and we're gonna go to the same place. Okay, right here. Okay, and we're gonna copy this. Okay, and we're gonna paste it here. Okay, and I'll be back when it's ready. Okay. Okay, there it is. This is it. That's all we have to do. Okay, so remember, we don't need this no more neither. But always save uh, all your stuff. Okay, always save it for later on for whatever reason. So this is the folder we're gonna use. Okay, so right now this is all ready to be installed. Okay, so you can mount this uh, into a USB and install it directly from the computer, but this is the best way. Okay, so all you have to do is double click and it's going to start the installation. Okay, this is an old computer. Okay, so do not complain. This is a 2G, as you can see right there, right here. It's a 2G internet. So uh, click here. Make sure you click here and you say not right now. Okay, you need to do that. Okay, so then click next. And it's going to start the process. Uh, I'll be back if we. Oh, right here. Okay, fine. So next. Here is going to ask you. Okay, you have a choice here. Okay, you have to read this. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this. Delete everything. Okay, even though it takes longer, it's fine with me. Okay, so do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. So this will install Windows 11 in your computer using Windows 10 has a driver, if you can say it like that. Okay, so it's giving you last warning. You can go back if you want to. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop the video right now, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay. Okay, here we are, Windows 11. Okay, so let me finish the setup so I can show you that I have no apps, nothing is empty. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, here we are. Okay, Windows 11 and an old computer. Okay, this is a 2015 Toshiba Satellite Pro. As you can see right here, it's a Toshiba, and it's got right here Windows 11. Okay, remember we used Windows 10 to install Windows 11. So now you have to do is just install all your updates and everything, and making sure you do a recovery drive for your computer, so if anything happens you can restore it. Okay, so this is it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and leave a comment. Thank you very much.